Hello and welcome all. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the various types of load balancers available in Azure. To start with, what is a load balancer? Load balancing refers to evenly distributing of load or the incoming network traffic across a group of backend resources or servers. Azure has basically four types of load balancers, the most commonly used ones. To start with is the Azure load balancer. This load balancer operates at level 4 of the OSID model. It consists of one public IP at port number 80, one private IP at port number 443. It is a basic load balancer and does not support SLA. This cannot be used for an availability option as well. Now, when we talk about OSI model, what is an OSI model? OSI model is a universal language for computer networking. The concept here is splitting up of the communication system into 7 abstract layers. Each layer of the OSI model handles a specific job, and each of these layers communicates with the layer above and below it. We just now talked about Azure Load Balancer, which works at level 4, which is the transport layer, and it is used for transmitting of data using transmission protocols including TCP and UDP. Let's move on to the second type of load balancer, which is called the Azure Application Gateway. This is also referred as the Azure Web Application Firewall, and it operates at level 7 of the OSI model. It's a URL based load balancer. So, what it does is it routes the incoming traffic, which may contain images or videos, to specific set of servers. This is auto scalable and it also supports rate limiting. So it has advantages compared to the basic load balancer in Azure. And it works at level 7 of the OSI model. If we refer back to the OSI 7 model, the 7 layer here is the application layer, which is the layer which we interact with, where the application can access the network services. Moving on to the third type of load balancer, it is called the traffic manager. Now, this type of load balancer is a DNS based traffic load balancer. It does provide high availability. What it does is it directs the traffic to the endpoint with lowest latency or to the nearest geolocation. It provides automatic failover whenever a particular region goes down. It supports failover via priority routing method. It does not support rate limiting, as we discussed above, and it can be used as a redundancy option. The fourth and the last type of load balancer which I wanted to talk about is the Azure Front Door. The Azure Front Door is a global load balancer. It helps to transform the global customer or the enterprises into high performing modern applications. It does reach to the global audience and it works at level 7 of the OSI model. So with this, we covered 4 types of load balancers. What I intend here is to give you the basic idea of the 4 types of load balancers. Each of these points here about these 4 load balancers give you those key inputs about these load balancers, and probably might help you understand what's the difference between each of these and what's the specific purpose for using each of these. Thank you so much.